Welcome back to Exploring Enchantments. We are at the Westin in Anaheim, and you can see our view right behind the Disney California Adventure Park. See Pixar Place over there. We are at club level right now. Yes, and I'll show you more about that later. Sweetie, just enjoying yourself?
Yeah. No kids. Nice views. Good food in there. Yes, this is very nice, like I always say. And if you're ever in this area, I highly recommend you stay at the Westin. Very nice hotel.
Yeah, so our room isn't ready yet. We got here, we flew in like at 7, well,
9 o'clock.
Yeah, our flight was delayed, but we got here around 9 o'clock. Got an Uber right to the hotel, and then went to the desk, and actually we are upgraded to the park view. So we're excited to show you that once our room is ready, but for now they gave us access to the club level, so that's what we're doing, and just enjoying our time, taking our time without kids. What are you excited for the most for our stay?
The jacuzzi.
The jacuzzi?
Yeah.
Lounging?
Maybe a little bit of the parks, but I want to lounge.
What about the rooftop bar?
Oh, the rooftop bar, yeah. It's right there. We're going to be there tonight at 6:30. Hopefully it clears up so we get some clear skies. But that will be fun. Alright, so right when you walk in, we have this nice bathroom with a barn door here. And that mirror just lights everything up. It is so beautiful. And it's just so bright in here. Look at this shower. And this is a fairly newer hotel. So everything is new. Let's see. Ooh, you can make it brighter. You can adjust it. Turn the mirror on
High
and
tech.
off.
And then a little commode area. All right, what else we got here? Lights up, dang.
Lights up.
Super
Really
bougie.
Let's check out these drawers. Oh my goodness. Yes, these are spacious as well.
Extra blankets, looks like, and a pillow and an iron. Cool. Oh, we got this full-length mirror here. I think it lights up too.
Oh,
This will be great for getting ready in the morning.
yes.
And it looks like we have a little coffee bar area.
Looks like
And a fridge.
right there.
And this, we got a king, just the one king. I believe the couch does pull out into a bed as well. We don't have the boys with us this time, just a couple's trip. So, little seating area. And then the best part, the view. So we have a little balcony here, and it fully opens. Wow. So we can literally step out onto the balcony or just leave it open for fireworks tonight. We'll see. Get some coffee, sit out here, or some wine.
Yeah.
It's our view. There's Catella down there.
If you look close, you can see.
From our hotel room, you can see Grizzly River Run. That I'm trying to get my Grizzly Peak. Excuse me. But yes.
Hear those people screaming on that credit coaster.
Yep.
That's so fun.
You got beautiful Cars Land over there.
How
Matterhorn.
can you ever stay this close?
Yeah, this is really nice.
And up by the bed, we have this Sleep Well Lavender Balm. So essential oils to put on our bed.
Like a rolling, so you can roll it.
Smell.
Thanks. Hold on. Let me just roll on the microphone here. Get it. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. Smell my fingers.
It smells good though.
Yeah. This is the best part of the hotel. Spa.
Nobody in there now. There was a bunch of people in there.
Oh.
Why'd they all leave? Did you do something?
Yeah. Just making them all look bad.
Oh.
About to head up to the Rooftop Lounge.
Alright, we got some food. What did we get here? Some wings.
Thai chicken and
The margarita pizza, but we added pepperoni. Let's try it out. Is it spicy? No?
it's like cinnamon. Weird,
They're Thai.
but they're good.
Probably why. Alright everyone, we are back in our room on the patio. Tell us your thoughts, Brandon, on the Rise Rooftop Lounge.
It's overpriced. I mean, sure, the views were great, but we literally spent money on 4 things. 2 of those were adult beverages, and then 2 of them were practically appetizers. So one was Thai chicken wings. That was like 20 something bucks. Then we got a pizza, and I had the mad pepperoni. Elizabeth got a margarita, and I just got a Michelob Ultra, and it was 90 bucks. To me, not worth it at all. But views were great. The vibes were great, but food-wise, not so good. And money-wise as well.
So like he just said, It was really overpriced, but I guess you could expect that because it is a bar and a lounge. So I guess people do expect it to be like that. And just know that they only serve like appetizers and drinks. So yeah, to me it wasn't worth it either. So I think tomorrow night we'll probably just eat at a restaurant for that money. But like, I'm still enjoying this. Like, the views from our room are amazing and everything's lit up right now. It's just gonna get better as the night gets gets a little bit darker, so we'll show you that. But like, I'm enjoying like seeing the Incredicoaster go by and everybody's screaming, having a good time. Just makes me want to go on there and be out there with them.
Good morning.
So we're at the Westin and we're gonna show you the walk to the park. So because it's behind the Disney California Adventure Park, we're gonna cross up here at Disneyland Drive. We're on Catella, and then walk through the downtown Disney entrance.
So you have to go to the Disney Hotel and check in that way, then you have to walk all through downtown Disney, but we're going to take you along with us, so enjoy.
Time to say goodbye to the Westin. Our view isn't that great right now. They have everything shut off, but we had such a great time here. It was
amazing. We're definitely going to come back. What did you think?
I really liked it. The only thing I would have to say, it's just very minor, is that we're right above the club level. Below, sorry, yes. The club. And you could hear them adjust, like the tables and
They're
the chairs.
moving
Like,
things, yeah.
like that. So, yeah, we heard it at like 1 o'clock in the morning. Kind of surprising, but other than that, beautiful property. We're definitely coming back.